The remote control airplane transport, with a 390mm wingspan and 2.4GHz 2CH 6-axis gyroscope, GXVS, is an impressive entry-level model that offers an exciting flying experience for enthusiasts of all ages. Right out of the box, the airplane boasts a sleek design and vibrant colors, making it visually appealing and easy to spot in the sky. One of the standout features of this model is its 6-axis gyroscope stabilization system. This technology significantly enhances flight stability, allowing even novice pilots to enjoy smoother and more controlled flights. The 2.4GHz remote control also ensures a reliable connection with minimal interference, making it perfect for flying in areas with multiple users. Flying the GXVS is an absolute joy. The controls are responsive and user-friendly, allowing for effortless maneuvers. The airplane is capable of performing basic aerobatic tricks, which adds an extra layer of fun for those looking to push their flying skills. Additionally, the lightweight construction and durable materials mean that it can withstand minor crashes, making it a great choice for beginners who might be apprehensive about their first flights. Battery life is decent, providing ample flight time to hone skills without constantly worrying about recharging. However, having a spare battery on hand would be beneficial for extended play sessions. The overall build quality is commendable, though some assembly is required, which is pretty straightforward. In summary, the Remote Control Airplane Transport GXVS is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of RC flying. Its stability, ease of use, and engaging performance make it a great value for both newcomers and seasoned pilots. Whether you're flying in your backyard or at a local park, this little airplane is sure to deliver hours of entertainment. Highly recommended.